Okay, so the first thing that I've done is I've prepped my hair. Now this is really, really key for anyone that's going to try and achieve a wave or a curl, a hair up, anything like that, because this is going to make your hair stay in and it's not going to make it drop. So it's really important that we use the right products. So my go-to, and anyone that's watching, any of my clients know me, I think most of you have this product, is L'Oreal Pli. What I've also used as well is really important is obviously your heat protector on the mid-length and ends. So my go-to is the colour range Kerastars, and I've just put that in, like I say, just mid-length to ends, just to keep the hair nice and shiny and obviously protected. So what I've done is I've just literally sectioned off the bottom, just literally going across, and that's all I'm doing. I'm just working upwards. I'm working the underneath first, and I am making sure that I work everything away from the face. This is going to make it look a little bit more modern for you, and I'm actually going to leave a little bit out on the end straight because I don't want to lose some of my length. If I go too curly with it, then it's just going to all spring up.
It was all a big mistake, never meant to miss the date. I was caught up with my friends, I forgot that we had plans. So the roses on the floor and found the champagne by the door. All my favorite things, they were there except for you. You were gone. Now I'm here all alone, and I really wish you'd just pick up your phone. Called you like 1,000 times, you saw my name and hit decline. Pick up, pick up. Told you once, I'll tell you twice, baby, I apologize. So pick up your life. Every text I sent was read, so I know that you ain't dead. If you just let me explain, we can minimize the pain.
Okay, so we're going to work with a paste now, and your comb and your brushes to kind of dress the curl out a little bit through the front here. Okay, so just don't be afraid to work with your brush and start kind of brushing it out a little bit so you get that little bit more of a modern look. Because of the prep that we put in at the start of the hair, this is not going to brush out the curl, it's just going to expand the shape for you.
I'll tell you twice, baby, I apologize.